Hi guys, it's Jamie, and I'm in the closet. Good morning, everybody. So, I'm going to get started with the video by saying thank you to everybody who has reached out. Instagram called me, uh, sent emails on my last video about getting the homestead started. And I was just absolutely blown away by the response to it. And there's a couple of questions that I wanted to ask. I mean, not ask, but to address. The trees. I know a lot of you all have concern about those trees being cut down. They are a hazard, and I'll explain. They are Bradford pears. They are a very, very hard wood. They're beautiful, and I love them, but they are a hazard. And my grandson was outside playing basketball one day, and if you all can see, his basketball goal is right next to the trees. And there was just a gentle breeze come through, and thank God my oldest son was there. He heard it cracking, and he screamed, "Maverick, run!" And a whole big section of that tree just broke and laid over into the road. So here, I come home from work and it was blocked. So I had to cut down the yard to get parked and went in the house and, got Michael, and me and Michael and John got out there along with a couple of other neighbors in the pouring rain, cutting up that tree, that big section that had broke off. And if you watched my video, you seen at the end of the yard that pile of brush that was down there. That was that part of that tree. So they've got to come down. I mean, I just cannot take um, the chance of one of our neighbors going out in a limb break, and they are getting pretty high. It it's a good thing the wood will be reused. Um, and woodpeckers love those trees. I'll take you out and show you the video, give you a look at the trees where the woodpeckers has poked holes all up in it. So that is the reason why the trees are coming down, guys. I mean, I love them. I would really like to keep them, but they are such a hazard. Now, the wood that we cut from those trees will be stacked up and used. Um, right now, I do have a gas fireplace in my house. It's they're propane logs, and you know, you never know in case we have another bad winter storm like we had a few. Well, it's been about 10 years ago. We were without power for a week. I mean, that's how bad it got here. So we learned that the gas logs was a very good thing to have. That's how we all slept in the living room. We cooked on gas grill. The only thing was is that we had to heat water on the grill, bring it in, put it in the kitchen sink, and that's how we bathe, more or less. Uh, so I mean, I know how to live, like not really off grid, but I'm a, no, I was lucky to be raised by a military father who always wanted his girls to be self-efficient, never depend on a man for anything. So, you know, we worked hard. I mean, he worked us hard. Um, I can remember our summers of being out of school, out replacing fence posts. Uh, he loved the white picket fence ideal, so I know how to replace a lot of pickets that rotted or everything. He's the one that taught me how to paint. He's the one that taught me how to use, wood tools and saws and, just, God, I miss him so much. He was a wonderful man, and I'm not going to cry. But, he taught us he wanted his girls to be self-efficient. I know how to hunt, I know how to fish, I know how to kill chicken. I shouldn't say kill chickens. But, I know how to clean the chicken, and, I've never really done a lot of deer hunting or anything like that. But, and I probably wouldn't be able to, go hunt them. I'd have to get the boys to do that. But with this economy the way it's getting, and I'm not getting into the politics part of it. I am so sorry about that. But, I'm looking that we are going to be coming into either a really bad recession or we are going to be in a depression. So, my thoughts of how to prep for this, how to get ready for it. And, I went the other day and a dozen of eggs was $5.99 in my grocery store. And I'm like, why? Why? And, I was thinking, everything is just so expensive. I got to come up with $243 by Monday to pay my electric bill, or they're going to come and shut it off. It's okay. We got a plan. We've got it set up. Um, my son's helping. He's worked an extra shift. Everything like that. It's fine. We'll be okay. But my thoughts on everything is prepare, get ready, prepare. So that's what we're doing. We have got a lot of beans and rice and, but everybody had reached out. The question was about the trees. Um, have you thought about doing a PayPal fundraiser? Have you thought about linking things in your Amazon cart, what you need, or, you know, and I was like, no, I never really thought about that, but, you know, I could check into it and see. So, in the description below is the Amazon wish list, which is updated, and I will link the PayPal fundraiser. Don't think you have to. You don't have to. Please don't think that. But, for the ones who have reached out, there they are. So, we are going to get started with some ideals. Briefly, we just need to get down there and get it cleaned up and see what we got to work with once we get down there. I wanted to record it of us cleaning up outside and going through the different steps, but my youngest son does not want to be recorded. He's 22. No, I take that back. He is 24. I wish he was still 22, but he's 24. He don't want to be recorded. So out of my respect for him, they won't be any watching us clean up. It will be the afterwards, which is me walking through and talking to you guys about what we did, what we found and stuff like that. So you'll just have to stay tuned on these videos, and I really appreciate everybody that has watched. And I think Simon's outside crying because the door's shut and he can't get to his mama. So funny. He's out there crying. I don't know if y'all can hear him, but they're just like babies. They're like 2-year-olds. I got Miss Luna. If you shut the bathroom door, she's got her little paws underneath the door. And I had seen this cute little thing on Temu, and I'm going to get it just as soon as I could afford it. It's shower curtains. You can get shower curtains and rugs and stuff, and it's got a black cat on the shower curtain, and it says, "Are you pooping?" I said, "That is so much Luna." But I just want to thank everybody who wanted to reach out, and Amanda over at Amanda's Budgets called me yesterday and she said, video ideal. Go to, we have got Royal King and Tractor Supply. And Tractor Supply has got the best, well, actually, Amazon has got the best deal on the fencing that I was looking at. But, Tractor Supply is the next one. And um, she said, go to Tractor Supply and walk through and tell everybody, hey, this is what I'm looking for. This is what we need to get started, blah, blah, blah. And I thought, what? That's a great idea, Amanda. I may do that. The only thing is that in my area, a lot of these companies don't like for you to video inside their store. So I may have to do like um, acting like I'm FaceTiming with somebody, when I go through to record. So if it sounds like I'm talking to myself, you know, which I am right now because this video is not uploaded, but it's all good. But yeah, I thought about doing that. Great idea, Amanda. Thank you for reaching out. And this channel is going to be growing into, everything. It's my realistic life. You'll probably see me cleaning the kitchen, the dining room, walking through the yard, talking to y'all in the closet, uh, just different things. But this this whole journey has been crazy. I still not heard anything from the disability people. Not got any phone calls from the lawyer, so I guess they're still reviewing everything. And I don't know. I just don't know. And I pray for everybody, you know. And I don't talk religion most of the time. I just let you know that I'm praying for you. And uh, yeah, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to jump in here right quick and say this is what's going to be going on in my channel. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It don't cost you anything. It just lets YouTube know that, hey, she's got another subscriber. Hit the like button. The like button gets these videos out a lot. And comment. Just type in, I don't like this video, or I like this video, or keep doing what you're doing and good job, or, whatever. It helps these videos to get out and it helps the revenue coming in. So with that said, guys, I will let you go because poor old Simon's out there having a panic attack. And just remember to always wear a smile because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.